As you can see, we have also a 5 lead commission. So that means if somebody signs up using our affiliate link, we'll get $5 just for signing up. Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from Hadi Tech, back with another video. In today's video we're gonna be discussing how you can earn up to $170 in affiliate commission. We're gonna be using a network that is actually known. It's called CJ. I have not covered it on this channel, but it's very known, especially for those who are into affiliate marketing. And we're gonna be targeting one specific offer that we're gonna show you later on this video. But before we dive into this video, kindly drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. That will help us immensely since we are starting on our YouTube journey. If you have any questions, also drop them in the comment down below. And without further ado, let's just start with this video. So first thing first, what you need to do is just go up to Google Trends, okay? And we're gonna do some little research about the offer that we're gonna promote. The offer that we're gonna promote is actually a movie rental digital websites where you can actually rent games or movies or whatever the case might be. All right, we're gonna show you the offer later on, and it has, you know, quite decent generous amount of commission that you can make out of when you refer somebody or like when somebody actually buys the product from your affiliate link. So yeah, we're gonna show you that in a little bit, but first we're gonna do some keyword research on Google Trends. Let's go and type in movie trends. Okay, let's do let's type movie set trends, movie rentals, excuse me. Let's just look for that, and let's just do past 30 days. All right, and as you can see guys, we have a steady consistent search of around 40 to 50, even 70 at times searches per day for this keyword. Okay, and search is obviously in the United States, and as you can see, we have the states that are searching for this specific keyword as well. You got Georgia, you got Florida, Cali, Texas, etc. As you can see, we have the queries that are being researched. We got Minecraft movie, we got movie theater rental, we got kayak. This is not related. This is also not related. We got best new movies rentals. That's also good. We got the friend movie, we got rent a movie theater, and we got warfare movie as well. And also we can select the top keyword, not the rising, but the top keyword, and it will show you the top research queries. Okay, we got new rentals, we got new movie rentals, we got rentals near me, we got movie rentals near me, and we got movies, and yeah, much more. So this is us just checking if the keyword is actually being researched and whether that we can run campaign in Google Ads later on safely, and whether that, you know, we'll get conversions or not. So it's safe to say that we can run ads towards our affiliate link. Okay, so that's what we needed to actually, you know, make sure of first. The next thing that you need to do is just go up to cg.com and create your affiliate account. If you don't know how to do that, drop it in the comments down below, and I will probably make a video explaining how to create your account on CG and getting approved. All right, then what you need to do once you create your account, click on partners and click on find advertisers. All right, and in here you can search for the affiliate program that I'm, you know, going to show you. And in here, as you can see, we have all of the companies that you can work with. What you need to do is just, you know, click on advertisers and type in Gamefly. Okay, type in Gamefly. As you can see, we have online video game rentals. Okay, so this is the advertiser that you are looking for, or you are looking to actually work with. So click on search, and as you can see guys, you will have a tab here that says apply. Click on it and apply for Gamefly. Okay, once you are accepted, you can later on take the promotional links or your affiliate link, and you can run campaigns or ads to that offer. Okay, as you can see, we have also a 5 lead commission. So that means if somebody signs up using our affiliate link, we'll get $5 just for signing up, and that actually differs. So if we go all the way down to the description here, as you can see, join Gamefly affiliate program, and it says for the commission plan, earn between $5 to $15 per new user that signs up for our service. And their plan starts from $9.50. Okay, and if the guy actually commits to the service, you will get 8 to 10% on each sale. They have also, a section where they will sell games as well. So if somebody buys something from, their marketplace, you will get from 8 to 10% commission. So this is one of the best actually advertisers that you can work on. Once you get accepted, now we can move on to the third step, which is creating a campaign on Google Ads and running the campaign. All right, I'm going to show you how to set that up. So the first thing that you need to do is just very simple. All you need to do is just head to Google Ads. All right, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. If you found it, then click on it. It will give you some voucher in order to run campaigns. So for example, if you are like spending some money, obviously running these campaigns, at least you get a cashback, or like you get more money when you do that. Okay, so the voucher for Google Ads will be down below. If you found it, click on it, and you will just probably claim $500 in ads credit as you spend 500 on Google Ads. All right, so yeah, like I said, go to Google Ads and create your account. In our case, we'll just connect our account. Once you are in your ads account, as you can see, our account is actually being inactive right now. I have deactivated the account, so that's just a safety measure that I had to actually do because the account was accessed by somebody else. But if you want to ask me, like, yes, I've run campaigns using this account, but the same process applies. All right, the same steps do apply. Click on new campaign, all right, and click the plus sign. Then what you need to do is just select the last option, create a campaign without a guidance. Okay, and what we need to do then, we're gonna select search. We're gonna select search, guys, not display, not demand gen, not video, not anything, just search. All right, then in here what you need to do is just click on continue. Then we're going to select website visits, and in the website visits you need your affiliate link. Yes, some people would actually disagree and they will say that you need a landing page. You can do that, but you can also run campaigns directly to your affiliate link. So what you need to do is just grab your affiliate link and put it in here. So head back to Gamefly, click on get links. So for example, let me just click on this one right here and click on get code. Okay, and in get code, let's just select click URL, and this is our URL. Let's just click copy, paste it in here, and then click continue. And in the campaign name, let's just say, or like name it Gamefly. All right, let's just click continue again. Then click start new because I have many drafts, and in the bidding type, remove conversions and click clicks. Click on next right away. Then in the campaign settings, leave these two checked. Then in the locations, as for this one, for this particular advertiser, it's only functional in the US. So let's just select the US, click on enter another location and type in USA or United States, just like that, and we should be fine. We got languages set to English by default. Then we got broad match keyword. Yeah, we can use that also. It's just fine. Then yeah, there's more settings, like if you want to tweak it. I don't recommend it. Just leave it as that and click on next. Then yeah, as you can see here, just by inserting our link, the AI or the Gemini AI will actually create a a description for our service. So let's just click generate. So now running campaigns on Google Ads is easier than ever, if I'm being honest. You can do this, it's just new friendly now. As you can see, we have now the URL or our affiliate link, and we got the keywords in here. As you can see, the keywords are not the same keywords that we researched using Google Trends. So we need to actually add those keywords as well. All right, so we need to add the keywords that we got from Google Trends. So head back to Google Trends, okay? And what you need to do is just, click this download button and it will download the queries for you. Also select the top keywords and download those as well. Also, you can do some extensive research using SEMrush, which I have explained on this channel. We have, a full dedicated video on how to do SEO and keyword research using SEMrush. So definitely check that out if you are interested in that. But yeah, download all the keywords that you can that are similar or the same as your affiliate program. As you can see, once you add your keywords in here, that should be good. You can add more keywords, okay? In here, you can do more extensive research, like I said. That's truly up to you. And in here, yeah, we just need to actually split our affiliate link in two. We got now click ID. We're gonna split this one into two parts. All right, we're gonna do this and put the first parts in here. Then we gotta put the second parts in here as well. Okay, simple, just like that. Once we are done with our display path, like I said, we should split that one up. We got the headline tab, and as you can see, we do have our ad right here showing. And what you need to do is just go to the headline section in here, and you can actually mess with these headlines. You can as you can see, pin which section that you want first, second, or third, or you can click on more ideas and just tweak this one in here. All right, you can tweak more stuff in here. You can add more stuff, you can remove stuff. And yeah, as you can see, we have PS5 games in here. As you can see, you can click on it and click on remove if you don't like anything. Or you can add more headlines in here as well. You have 15 slots and you are free to fill in all of those slots. Okay, so essentially what Google does is just creates multiple variants of your ad and just reports to you which one that is the best. So what I did is just actually pin the first and the last one that says discount for Gamefly 4K UHD movies, and this one, find the fun. So essentially it's just very simple title. And as for the description, we have for description, I did not really pin anyone of these. I just thought maybe I should leave it as that. But if I would, I probably would pin the second one as the first. So yeah, let's just do that. So this should be our first position ad description. Okay, so this should be the first one. Again, this how it should be, like your ad, this is how it should be. And yeah, you can add more links to your ads. You can add the text again, and yeah, you can do whatever you want. As for the callouts, like, you don't need to actually do that as well. You just leave it as is and click on next. And in the budget, lastly, what you need to do is just put in $20 as in daily budget. You can test stuff with it. And as you can see, we have 2,000 or approximately 2,387 clicks. Average CPC should be $0.6 and the weekly cost should be $130. Okay, once everything is said and done, everything is just fine with your campaign. Click on next, then launch the campaign. Okay, and yeah, that's that for our video. The next step, what you need to do is just launch the campaign. Like I said, monitor your campaign and optimize the campaign in order to actually get some decent results. But trust me, it's actually worth it. And as you can see, you have seen the commissions given by the advertisers themselves. It's $5 per the sign up, and from 8 to 10% commissions on sales that you get from those signups as well. So this was our video for today's. If you liked it, drop a comment and like and subscribe to the channel. That would just be immensely helpful to us, guys. And yeah, take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.